Morning sun is rising bright. Birds begin their little flight. Hashir smiles and looks around. Tiny wings make joyful sound. Little birds go chirp, chirp, chirp. Hashir feeds them crumbs to slurp. Kindness grows with gentle hands, just like Allah's loving plans. Chirp, chirp, little birds sing, happy with the food you bring. Hashir's heart is warm and kind, spreading love for all mankind. Chirp, chirp, flutter near. Hashir's kindness brings them cheer. Flap your wings, flutter high, little birds up in the sky. Hashir claps and laughs with glee. What a happy place to be. Birds come hopping two by two, looking for a crumb or two. Hashir waits with open palm, speaking soft to keep them calm. Every creature, big or small, Allah made and loves them all. Chirp, chirp, little birds sing, happy with the food you bring. Hashir's heart is warm and kind, spreading love for all mankind. Chirp, chirp, flutter near. Hashir's kindness brings them cheer. Kindness starts with tiny things, sharing crumbs with tiny wings. Hashir learns with every day, good deeds light the gentle way. Little birds fly home to rest, nesting warm in branches nest. Hashir waves and whispers light, see you friends, good night, good night. Chirp, 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 chirp.